Hi, I'm here to share this album I made. It's a little walkthrough with a Nicole silhouette die. She has an album die that I just love. It makes this cute little shaker cover. It has the nice little leaves here, and it has some flowers. I didn't use the flowers. I used some sunflowers I had because I made this for my daughter, and she's really into sunflowers. I believe this is maybe one of Nicole's bow dies, but I'm not 100% sure on that. These little butterflies here are from Martha Stewart punch. This little element here that the bow die is sitting on is from Nicole Silhouette's belly band die set, which is so stinking cute. I love it. And here's the back of the album. This is a wonderful, wonderful die set if you're just starting out and wanting to make your very first album. This is great. It really makes a beautiful album. The paper I used was Graphic 45. I think it's called In the Garden. I'm not exactly sure. And then here's some little kitty cat silhouettes throughout the album that I put in just for fun. Each page has a pull-out tag. This tag is actually a Nicole Silhouette die that I just took. If you look, I just took the matting page, I whacked off the sides, and I whacked off an inch on the bottom, and that made this tag. So I thought that was fun. It's very versatile. That is a Nicole Silhouette oval. Right, this is the belly bands that I was talking to you about. I love the belly bands. They are so stinking cute, don't you think? And then I really like the little cat silhouettes, and I made little butterflies. These are just little coin envelopes that you can put pictures or mementos in, whatever you want. They're held together with Velcro backing. And then this one is just with a little crosshatch die on front, a little bow, and then once again held together with Velcro, and you can put goodies inside. Oops, there we go. Then I made some little frames. Like I said, each page does have a tag you can pull up. And just to make them all a little bit different, I added some other stuff to them. Oops. There's a butterfly and some lace. This butterfly is just a punch. I had two different punches that I just put together. Layered. Oops. Okay. Put that in later. Blank page. More tags. Oops. This is the flower that came in the set with the leaves. I thought those were very pretty. This is a Graphic 45 envelope and tag die that I used. Once again, a different butterfly. Nicole's got a bunch of beautiful butterflies that she's done. Here's another tag in a pocket. Another kitty cat. This is the tag going sideways in the pocket. I just left it plain with pearlized paper because I thought it would be nice to just put some pictures on it. Another Graphic 45, another kitty. And this paper was so pretty, it really didn't need anything on it. But this tag die is awesome. This tag die and the layering piece come in the album kit. So this is wonderful. You can make little tags and put them in your albums. Here's, once again, that bigger tag that I made using the layering piece that I just whacked the sides off in the bottom to make it fit. Two more little kitties. And that's the last page of the album. So I hope you like this die. I love this die set. I'm going to make more. I thought it'd be fun to do it in a jungle scene, and got some other papers that I'd like to use it in. I really like the shaker element. I will put a link below to where you can find this die and maybe some other dies that I used if I can find them. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you. Bye.